Okay, let's go on the record. This is cause number 2021 CR 8928, the state of Texas versus Rosario Flores. Attorneys, please make your announcements for the record.
Ed Piker for Mr. Flores.
And Joshua Luke Sandoval for the state of Texas.
Oh. Mr. Flores is appearing by video conference from the Bexar County Jail. Go ahead and tell me your full name.
Rosario Flores Jr., Your Honor.
Mr. Flores, I'm going to show you the true bill of indictment that was filed in this case.
Yes, ma'am.
It alleges the offense of assault, family violence, second offense. Do you understand the charge that you have?
Yes, ma'am.
How are we going to proceed, State?
Judge, we move to proceed on the lesser included of assault, bodily injury, family violence, a Class A misdemeanor.
So is this a household, family, or household?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Flores, the Class A misdemeanor is punishable by confinement in the Bexar County Jail for any period up to 1 year confinement in the Bexar County Jail. It also carries a possible fine of up to $4,000. That range of punishment is explained in this document called the Court's Admonishments. Did you go over this with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have the right to a jury trial. You have the right to cross-examine the witnesses against you, and you have the right to remain silent. Those are your constitutional rights. Do you understand those?
Yes, Your Honor.
When you sign this document, what you're telling me is that you want to waive or give up those rights. Is that what you intend to do today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this your electronic signature right above Rosario Flores?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you are not a citizen, I'm still required to tell you that a plea of guilty or no contest to this charge could result in deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law. Mr. Flores, are you satisfied with the representation of your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Piker, does your client have a rational and factual understanding of the proceedings against him?
Yes, he does.
Has he been able to assist you with the preparation of any defenses?
He has.
In your opinion, is he mentally competent to waive his rights and enter into a plea?
Yes.
I will accept the waiver and make it part of the record. Mr. Flores, the agreement that you made in this case is on the screen. I'm going to go over it with you. It calls for the prosecution to proceed on the lesser included offense of assault causing bodily injury, family, or household. $1,000 fine. That's going to be fully probated. The state is recommending deferred adjudication for a period of 2 years. An affirmative finding of family violence is made by agreement of the parties. You're going to take the anger management course, the DDR evaluation, no contact order with John Pitt, which is a pseudonym for the victim in this case, a TAP evaluation, and 80-hour community service. Is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the relationship to the complaining witness in this case? State.
Yes, you asking me, ma'am?
No, state.
Sorry.
What is the relationship?
Your Honor, I'm looking at that right now. I apologize.
Judge, I can tell you, it's his nephew.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Ed.
Sure.
Is that your understanding of the agreement, Mr. Flores?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Piker, is that your understanding?
Judge, yes, with one additional agreement, there's going to be a termination unsatisfactory of the misdemeanor motion to revoke that is pending, and it's either County Court 7 or County Court 8. We couldn't decide, and it's under case number 643713. That's also part of the agreement.
Terminate unsat.
Right.
Okay. And state, is that your understanding?
It is, including Mr. Piker's statement on the MTR in County Court 8.
And my understanding is that'll be taken care of today as well.
It will, yes, Ed.
Thank you.
What is your plea to the charge of assault, causing bodily injury, family or household? Is it guilty, not guilty, or no contest? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. What? Mr.
No
Flores,
contest, Mr. Flores. Oh, he's on mute.
No contest. Sorry, Your Honor.
okay. Are you entering a plea of no contest because you have talked about this matter with your attorney and you believe it's in your best interest to do so?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you doing this freely and voluntarily?
What do you,
Let me ask it another way. Has anyone forced you to enter a plea today
Oh, no,
or offered you anything in exchange for your plea?
no, ma'am.
I will accept your plea of no contest. I find the plea is voluntarily made, and I will ask the state to tender its proof.
State offers into evidence exhibit number 1.
We have reviewed it and no objection.
State's one is admitted. Mr. Piker, are you satisfied that the state complied with Article 3914 in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
I will find the discovery acknowledgement and make it part of the record. Give me just a minute to review the exhibits.
Ms. Gonzalez, am I free to leave?
No, not quite. We're almost done. Let's go back on the record. I do find the evidence is sufficient to substantiate your guilt. I will make no other findings at this time. I will grant the application for deferred adjudication. For a period of 2 years, $1,000 fine is prorated and affirmative finding of family violence by agreement. You're going to do the anger management course. We're going to do a DDRF evaluation, and you are to follow the recommendations. No contact order with John Pitt. That's a pseudonym. The agreement of the parties also includes that the current MTR in County Court 8, cause number 643713, will be terminated unset. We're going to do a TAP evaluation, and in this case, you'll do 80 hours community service. This is a plea bargain case. Mr. Flores, I followed your plea bargain agreement, so you do not have a right to appeal. Do you understand? You can unmute yourself to answer.
Sorry. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I need you to go to the breakout room with probation.
Yes, ma'am.
Bianca, you're still co-host, right?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Rosario, good luck.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Everyone have a good weekend.
You too, Piper.
You
Take
bet.
care, Ed.
Yeah, thanks. Keep taking your medicine, David.
I'm going to the medicine cabinet as we speak.
There you go.
Ay, 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 David.